To maximize the range of motion and strength of your new total hip revision, it is important that you actively participate with your exercise program. This video will provide detailed instructions of each exercise. You will be performing exercises while lying in your bed. These exercises are for people who have had a hip revision surgery. Please note that all exercises should not be completed in one sitting. You should mix and match the exercises to meet the goal of being active 5 minutes of each waking hour. Work up to 10 repetitions of each exercise. Exercises to perform while lying on your back in bed. Ankle pumps. Lie on your back with your legs straight. Bend and straighten your ankles. Gluteal sets. Squeeze your buttocks together, hold for 5 counts, then relax. Be careful not to hold your breath while tightening.